Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign. This is June bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So don't force to fit in. So Gemini, let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Strength, 2 of Wands and 3 of Swords. It is a strike message. For some, you are in separation with your person. For some, even though you are in relationship with your person right now, this is on and off. There are some issues going between you and your person. But you are working on yourself. You are trying to overcome this pain or these issues. And you want to overcome and you want to stand by your power. And you are thinking about this person a lot. For some, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yeah, there is some backstabbing. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you. For some, third party also involved in this connection. So, Gemini, let's see your reading. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Leo or Aquarius. So, let's see. 8 of Cups, Ace of Cups and Page of Wands, recent past. So, you walked away from this connection due to issues between you and your person. And you are doing self-love. You are taking your control back. And even though you still have strong emotions toward this person, still you did walk away. And there was some communication between you and your person. Maybe they again trying to reach out to you. Maybe they trying to talk to you. Because there was some communication or text conversation between you and your person in past. But you walked away. You made that decision. For some, you are thinking about to walk away. Present 7 of Pentacles, Queen of Cups and 3 of Wands. So, even though you walked away, but you're still thinking about them because you turned your back from your person and you're still thinking about them. Maybe you're waiting for them, for their call, for their text. And Queen of Cups, you still have strong emotions. You are very caring and sharing person. You are very honest person in this connection, Gemini. Then future, the Hierophant, the Star and 10 of Swords. So, you fed up with this waiting energy. Your energy is totally drained. There is no commitment. That could be the issue in this connection. There is no stability. But you are still thinking about something positive in this connection. You are still thinking about your person in a positive way. I think you are not accepting that they are not good for you. That type of situation. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Gemini, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Hierophant, the Fool with strength. So they want a brand new beginnings with you. And they're thinking offer commitment to this connection. And they want a brand new beginnings. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Five of Swords. Lot of issues, lot of arguments, fightings between you and your person. Yeah, there is some communication text is coming right now. Maybe your person is guarded up, but they're thinking about to communicate with you. And they do love you because King of Cups is here and 8 of Cups. Maybe you both decided to walk away. And you walked away or they walked away. I think there are some ego problems also because 8 of Cups is here. But now they have regret feelings. They have regrets because 5 of Swords. So let's see their intentions. Or for some, they want to leave behind everything which had happened between both of you, like fightings, arguments, and they want to communicate with you. Nine of Cups with Judgment, Ace of Swords, and Six of Cups with Page of Cups with Six of Swords. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot, and you both have strong soulmate connection with each other. They want to say apology to you because they hurt you in past. Now they want to say apology. For some, children's also involved in this connection. They want to fix the things between you and your person. And Nine of Cups, they're wishing for this connection. They're in the process of making decision because the Judgment is here. For some, maybe one person is going through legal issues right now. And Ace of Swords, yes, communication with clarity is coming. So they want to express their true feelings with you. They want to give clarity about the situation. But they're thinking about you a lot. They're thinking about marriage with you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. They are fantasizing about you a lot and they are missing you so much. Right now, they are memorizing all the good moments with you and they are suffering in silence and they are dreaming about you a lot. Yeah, they are missing you so much and they're feeling alone without you and they want reunion and they won't give up on you. You are taking your control back, Gemini. Yes, you are taking your control back. You are setting healthy boundaries. You want best. You deserve best. Less than that, you don't want anyone. And you don't want anyone into your circle. Yeah, you are wishing for commitment. You are wishing for something better. Not like breadcrumbing. Okay. So you want commitment. I think you both have ego problems also because King of Swords and Queen of Swords. There is some harsh communication between you and your person, maybe in recent past had happened. Communication terms are not good between you and your person. So let's see mutual. But you are taking your control back, Gemini, no matter what. Even though you love this person, you want marriage, you want commitment, that's all. Less than that, you don't want. Queen of Wands with Three of Cups with Knight of Swords and Five of Wands. There is lots of drama is going, but they are rushing in to communicate with you. And you are taking your control back, but they want reconciliation with you. So it's up to you to reject or to accept. It's totally in your hands. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I have regrets. I can't give you what you need. Please wait for me. Soulmates and trust issues. For some, there are trust issues between you and your person. So the messages are, I have regrets. All I want is you. I can't give you what you need. Please wait for me and soulmates. So this is the reading. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. So these are the messages. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Your hard work is paying off. New Moon in Capricorn, Capricorn energy. And prosperity lies ahead. New Moon in Taurus and Taurus energy. So if you are doing consistent hard work to achieve your goals or to achieve something big, so definitely your hard work will pay off. Near future, for some it already started paying off, especially when New Moon in Capricorn, and prosperity lies ahead. So definitely there is a lot of abundance is coming in your way in unexpected ways, especially when New Moon in Taurus, Taurus energy. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.